Friends, good morning. This is Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi speaking from New Delhi on behalf of Priyaranjan Trivedi official YouTube channel. So today is 23rd April. So let's know the significance and importance of 23rd April. There are three reasons why we observe this day today. Today is the English language day. We have many languages. Those who are in India, their language is Hindi generally, besides other regional languages. Accordingly, those who were in England or United Kingdom used to speak English because of colonial system. In more than 50 countries, the British rule came and invaded and made everybody speak English, became compulsory. That is how it is spread, but not very common. Those persons who were expelled from UK, that time England, to US. There was no country, but it was vacant place. It became United States of America later on, when many states and countries together merged. There are 50 states in US. Their language also became English because most of those who migrated to that place were speaking English. No doubt, French, German, Swiss or Dutch people are also there. But then most of them speak English. So these are the two countries where English is very common. Then it became a lingua franca. Everybody speaks English. So we should not hate English. Our first priority is to learn our own language. Supposing you are in India, you must stress on understanding and speaking and promoting Hindi. But the moment you hate English, then you can't grow. So better is that, yes, your priority should be Hindi, and then at the same time you must ensure that people know English also, so that they are more useful for the society. Go to other countries, they can't work. India is full of talented manpower. They have to be exported in order to bring foreign currency and also to generate employment among the young boys and girls in India. So knowledge of English is very important. That is why we observe this day today. So friends, the other reason why we observe this day today is that today is the World Book and Copyright Day. Books are written. But many people who are duplicate authors, they don't write anything original. They copy somebody's work. So today is the copyright day. Once you write a book or a paper, you must have the copyright done. So in the book, it should be written copyright with you. And if somebody copies it, then you can sue them. It's very important. After reading your book, if they are writing in own language, it's good. That is how people learn. How can anybody learn without reading a book? Copying a book is not important, and copying a book and writing your name in place of their name is not valid. You can quote their language, you can always quote and quote. So this is very important day for all of us, and we have to promote this day. The third reason why we observe this day today is that today is the laboratory day. Many experiments. World is growing because of experiments. So without experiment, we cannot grow. We have to have a new process, a new product. We have to innovate, all possible through laboratories. Either it's a medical lab technology, radiology, imaging technology, chemistry lab, physics lab, organic chemistry lab, inorganic chemistry lab, biological lab, botany lab, zoology lab, technology lab. So there can be thousands of types of labs. Today is the time when we observe this day and also promote the system of developing laboratories all over the world. Friends, these are the three reasons. Tomorrow we shall discuss about the other days. And then, till then, I thank you very much for your time, and may peace prevail on this Mother Earth.